OpenClaw has been gaining a lot of attention in the developer community lately, but most people are still at the stage of just having heard the name. What makes it really powerful is its flexibility in deploying and managing applications. And now, there's a very practical use case. PDFelement can be deployed directly within OpenClaw. That means you can bring full PDF processing capabilities into your own environment. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how this setup works, step by step. Don't know what OpenClaw is? Let me explain to you. What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is a local AI assistant which runs on your computer. It is an execution-focused assistant, not just a conversational one. OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI assistant you run on your own machine or VPS, and to actually power it, you connect it to an AI model like OpenAI. What OpenClaw can do? OpenClaw can inspect files and folders, it can run commands and use local utilities, it can read and edit text-based files like configs, notes, and scripts. For example, first you install a skill. Then you create a scheduled job for your assistant to perform. Then your OpenClaw assistant performs the job and delivers you the result. With OpenClaw, you have one assistant that stays online 24/7 that can act on its own and gets more useful over time. How to use OpenClaw for PDFelement. First, go to the OpenClaw control, then in chat, type in the chat box, "Hello, please install PDFelement-skill on desktop," and it will install the PDFelement-skill on your desktop. This chat is supported by ChatGPT 5.4. Next, you can ask perform any task from your local agent. Let's compress the file. In the command section, type, "Please compress and export the final PDF in the test folder on my desktop," and press the send button, and it will open the PDFelement and compress the file and save it automatically. Once the task is finished, it will open the file location. As you can see, this is our file location. As you can see, the original file is of 4.7 megabytes and the compressed one is of 2 megabytes. Also, it will show you the message that the task is done, and here is the saved location of the file. How to run multiple commands on OpenClaw. In the command box, type, "Compress and export the first 3 PDF in the test folder on my desktop," and it will automatically select the first 3 PDF from the mentioned folder and compress them using PDFelement, just in a few seconds. Now, if you want to convert the PDF to Word, just type, "Convert the first 3 PDFs in the test folder on my desktop to Word," and it will convert the first 3 PDFs in Word using PDFelement, just in a few seconds. And here you can see the converted PDF to Word files. Also, you can check out the completion message for file location and file names. So yeah, PDFelement with OpenClaw isn't just an update. It's a serious upgrade in how you get things done. If you like tools that save time and reduce frustration, this is definitely worth checking out. Drop a comment if you've tried it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tools like this. See you in the next one.